Hi, my name is Marine. I'm a piano teacher and the founder of the Online Rock Lessons Academy. So in this video, I want to teach you a quick warm-up you can do right before you practice. So before we start, if you haven't done it already, subscribe to this channel to make sure you never miss a new video. Also, I'm going to drop a link below in the description so you can access a free piano chord course. So make sure you check it out. Alright, so let's get started. So the warm-up for today, we're going to use the C major scale to keep it very simple. So the C major scale has no sharp, all the white note here. So for this exercise, we're going to use 4 different chords that is going to be easy to transpose afterwards when you want to do it on other chords. So the 4 chords are C add 9, so it's going to be C, D, E, and G. We have C minor add 9, C, D, E flat, and G. We have C sus 4 right here, so C, F, G, and C. And we're gonna have C major 7, but we're not gonna be playing the third here, so it's C, G, B, and C, like this. All right. So both hands are going to be playing the same thing. We're going to be using the arpeggios of these chords. We're going to be using triplet, and the first bar is going to be legato and the second bar is going to be staccato. So legato is as usual, and staccato is actually very short note here. Staccato is very useful when you want to work on techniques because it works on your strength, it works on your hand independence, fingers independence. It's a very great tool to use. So let me start by showing you how it sounds like. Alright, so we're going to do that very slowly so you can understand everything that is happening here. So we start with the first chord, like I told you, the C add 9. So we have triplet. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And here's staccato. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So that's the first one. Then we're going to go to the minor one, so this one, and we're going to go with 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, staccato. And the next one is C sus 4, so this one. So first legato, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and staccato. And the last one is the C major 7. So this one might make you work a little bit because you have to stretch the left hand here, but it's a good thing. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, staccato. And we end right here. All right, so this is it. Make sure you work on this, and after, when you're ready, you've played this in C major, try other key. Because the goal here is to be able to transpose this kind of exercises because each key has something to work on. Because you're going to change with the flats, the sharps, so everything is going to change when you change key. So if, for example, I would go in G major scale. G major has F sharp, so it's kind of going to change a little bit. So if I do the same exercise but in the G major scale, we get G major add 9, G minor add 9, G sus 4, and G major 7. And this is a bit of a stretch because we have the F sharp here. It's really good for precision here to work. All right, let me show you how it sounds like in G major. All right, there you go. You have a great warm up. It's quick and it's gonna make you work a little bit on your fingering. Now, if you would like to have the sheet music, I'm gonna drop the link just in the description below so you can access that for free. You have the whole music sheet. Sometimes it's easier to see the notes, the actual notes on the sheet. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Have fun with this and have a good practice.